This is a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, 318 two-barrel, air-conditioned, power steering. This one's being done by field agent, or for field agent 413's lovely Brad. Got some work going on under the hood here. Yeah, fella down here, Joe does a fantastic job on the, especially on the underhood stuff, the engine bays. Getting them all cleaned up, making it presentable. If you want a really nice driver, this would be a good place to get the, get the jewelry box done. That's what I always call it when you pop the hood. It's like jewelry, opening a jewelry box. But you can see where the engine bay was done and trimmed out. See where some other work's coming together on it. I did a short walk around and took some pictures of this car a while back when he first got it. And this is where it's progressed to right now. Put the fingers out of the way there. So you see it's coming along. So it's going to go back yellow with white interior. But check that out. Look how clean and nice and tidy everything is. So if you get a chance, or if you got an old hot rod that needs some work on it, especially if you want to get some of the detail work done under the hood, make it look presentable when you show up to cruise in or car shows, this would be a good place to do it. If you want to make contact, check into getting some stuff done, just leave us a comment and go ahead and hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification, friends of the channel, and we'll put you in touch with Mr. Quick himself. So if you get a chance, like I said, if you got something he's doing, this is this is pretty stellar work, especially for the price. So y'all leave us a comment and let us know if there's anything we can do. Alright, friends and neighbors, this is Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Wanted to, it's kind of an update. Been, Field Agent 413, I was over at his house today, and he's working on this 70 Barracuda, trying to get it put back together. I've got, I don't know if we posted anything on this car yet or not, but this has been kind of an ongoing project here, and it's starting to come together now. So going to do a quick walk around on it and let you know what's been done and how it's coming along. Let's see. This is a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, a 318 car with power steering and air conditioned but straight brakes, oddly enough, which I guess wasn't that uncommon back in the day. But it's got the engine freshened up and got some paint on it. Man, that yellow, this video will not do this car justice at all. But that yellow is beautiful on this car. We do a walk around. He's been working on it on both ends, getting the bumpers and stuff back on it since it come back from paint. And I think today he's working on the bumper guards in the back. He's got the interior and everything set in it. And see, it's automatic in the floor. Got wheels and tires on it. So the new door handles in it. Got new wheel lip moldings on it, which you don't think something that small would make that big of a difference, but it really does look sharp on this car. That little bit of chrome makes a big difference on it. But come around to the back. See, that's the today's project right there, getting the bumpers and the bumper guards and stuff on it. That it's got the CUDA tips and everything on the back, and it's got the cutout valance for that too. It's been painted, not put on just yet. It's waiting its turn. But man, look at it. Look across the top of that trunk and down that quarter. Man, this is a pretty car. Getting ready to do the carpets and stuff in it. So figure again, it is a Barracuda. It's not a CUDA. It's got the CUDA tips and finish panel going on the back of it, but It'll definitely look the part, but man, that yellow sure is pretty. The black and white interior. Be a really nice cruiser. Said 318 with power steering and air conditioning. You can drive this car about anywhere you'd want to go with it, and still look like $1 million. So that's that. I don't know if I got much of a shot of the front, but I'm gonna try to get one down the side here. So you kind of get an idea just how pretty that car is with that yellow and white interior. This one's had quite a bit of work to get it to look this way, and you'll see that from the earlier pictures. But there it is. How sharp is that going to be right there? But if you were wanting to see them being worked on, there it is. That's one being worked on. It's getting its turn to a new lease on life. We'll get the carpet and stuff in it. She'll be ready to roll. I'll bring you more on this one as the work progresses on it. But there it is. It's Foundation 880. If you get a chance to see this video and you're sharing it with your friends, hit the like button. That thumbs up goes a long way. And we'll keep bringing it to you, and we'll bring you more updates on this one as it comes together and gets finished up. Maybe we'll go for a ride along. But, hit the like button, and let your friends know where you see this cool stuff. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. This is Field Agent 880. Thanks for watching.